Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make essay format. First, let's establish the fundamental structure of an essay, which typically includes an introduction, body paragraphs, and a conclusion. We'll then dive into organizing your thoughts effectively within each paragraph. Remember, a well-structured essay guides your reader smoothly through your arguments. Pay close attention to how each section contributes to your overall message for maximum impact and clarity. A strong introduction hooks your reader and presents your main argument or thesis statement. This statement is crucial as it sets the stage for your entire essay. For the conclusion, you'll want to summarize your key points without introducing new information. Finally, leave your reader with a thought-provoking statement or a call to action, reinforcing the significance of your essay's topic. This ensures your essay feels complete and impactful. Each body paragraph should focus on a single main idea that supports your thesis. Start with a clear topic sentence, then provide specific evidence, examples, or explanations to back up your claim. It's essential to analyze how your evidence connects to your argument rather than just presenting it. Use transition words and phrases to ensure a smooth flow between sentences and paragraphs, making your essay easy to follow and understand for your audience. Before submitting, always review your essay for proper formatting, such as margins, font, and citation style, whether it's MLA, APA, or Chicago. Thoroughly proofread for any grammatical errors, spelling mistakes, or punctuation issues. Even small errors can detract from your credibility. A fresh pair of eyes can often catch what you've missed. Also, remember to stay refreshed while writing. Check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Finally, read your essay aloud to catch awkward phrasing and ensure clarity and coherence throughout your entire piece.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.